How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, we got some exciting news from DJI. It seems like the leaks are just pouring in for the new Avata FPV drone. It was slow at first, but then we saw a new image of the Avata in action. Then we had the FCC filing that indicated the drone plus a new air unit, the O3 air unit. But just like those old infomercials, wait, there's more. Now we have images of the new V3 goggles. They look like an upside down version of the V2 goggles, or a gas mask perhaps. It's definitely a more compact version, and they do have these integrated antennas. Just like this simulated picture represented, the squished down version with the integrated antennas on top. Now that we have the actual picture to compare them with, he didn't do that bad a job making that simulation. This is just the beginning. The leaks are going to start pouring in day by day with flight footage and action photos, all to get us really hyped up on buying the new FPV drone. But for me, one question still remains. What about the controller? There wasn't an FCC filing for a controller. The FCC filing listed that this is still using OcuSync 3 technology. Maybe the old controllers will still work, or maybe they'll use the new RC controller. I'm sure we'll have an answer to this question in the coming days. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe.